So today we're going to be making a balloon out of origami paper, which is, if you don't know, square paper. And here's what it looks like when it's not blowed up. Yeah, let's get into this. So first off, you're going to need some regular square paper. It doesn't matter if it's one-sided or not. So if you're using one-side paper or regular paper, you want to fold on the bad side, but regular paper doesn't matter. So you're going to want to go ahead and fold like this, these two corners together, crease that, and then open it up, and then do the exact same, but the other way. So like this. And make sure mine's good, crease that. And you're going to open it up and fold this corner to that corner, and that corner to that corner over there. And it doesn't matter if these folds aren't that good, just make sure they're lined up good. And if you guys want to know a place to get good paper like this, I'll put a link in the description to like an Amazon website on where you can buy it. And then to make it easier to do, make it, we're going to go ahead and fold this line and this line backwards. So it would look like that, and then do it the other way. And then now it should look like this. And you pop this in, and then bring these together like that. So it would look like this, and then you fold in the sides like so. And then you come up with like sort of one mountain shape. So then you're going to take one of these flaps and fold it in all the way to the top, right on the edge. Same on the other side. And then you can go ahead and flip this over. Flip it over like so. And do the exact same thing. And once you're done, you can pick a side. And you want to pick one flap on the same side and fold that in. And then do it to the other one. Like that. Flip it over. Same thing. And now it should look like this. And then you're going to want to pick the end that has these little flaps, because this end doesn't have those flaps, so we're going to pick this one. And you're going to just fold them right along this edge right here. And this step just makes it easier to do one of the challenging folds. So then you're going to unfold that. Make sure you do it to both sides. And then you're going to fold this corner into this little crevice right here. So like this. Like that. And then same thing on the other side. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Now once you have that, you can go ahead and pick one of the sides. Open up this little flap. And then there should be a seam. And it should open up like this. And then you're going to want to stick this thing into there. So now it should go from looking like this side into this, where it's tucked in. And then you're going to go ahead and do it to the other side. Flip it over, do the same thing. And if you find it like challenging, you could probably, if you're not an experienced origami person, you could probably just use tape and just use it like that. Put it on the inside like this, and then just tape it. It would probably do the same thing. But since we're doing origami, we don't use tape or cuts or anything. And you fold it like that, and there you go. You have a balloon done. And then you find like the bottom edge of where you did those folds. So like right here. And then you blow into it. And then you have your balloon. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching Creative Ideas by Cody. If you like this video and want more, just subscribe and hit that like button. And again, I'll put a link to where you can get origami paper like this on Amazon. Thank you and bye.